Ways to strengthen your offer. We just went through a very crazy 2 years of real estate and found that it was very difficult to get our clients in the best position to get their offer accepted. And here's 3 ways to help strengthen your client's offer. Minimizing contingencies. We don't want to encourage to waive inspection, but you can find other opportunities to help minimize those. Lower inspection days, less inspections, more due diligence up front to have better clarity on what the situation is at hand. Quicker escrow periods. 45, 60-day escrows are just too long. You want to be able to put your best foot forward and show the seller that you guys are looking to move at a quicker pace. Repairs. Most sellers don't want to handle repairs, and the thought of having to handle this in a time frame during escrow tends to put them in a fire drill. One of the fastest ways to have your offer rejected is asking for repairs. Other ways to combat that: credits and concessions. You can still get your clients the repair funds to handle those repairs without bogging down the sales process or the seller.